Taiew Lehkmen College Week jongka Donbosco College Byndihati East Giant Hills District kalakut no daka Jingbynnud nak benta kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli jongka nika college haka arpu pratarik urempang arhajar arpun rio. Ya kani Taiew Lehkmen la ai kerteng daka sinora arhajar arpun rio kabalawan ra ya ka Jingbynnud shipara hapedeng kinong penyad kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli jongka nika college. Lengba kani Taiew Lehkmen ki Samla puli jong kani ka college kila sei bat pen i ya ki but ki sab bat ki pong ten rai ha ki dur ki dar ba bonjan. Lengba ki jing penyat bat tebet jong ki nong hikai ki ba kentup ya uba Damon Mitre pedang ba Jefferson Simply kong Elizabeth Dekar bat kong Lily Siang Shai ka jing Lehkmen kala telun da ka jing Shongshit baro shi Taiew. Uravan Padar Daniel Kaji, Principal, ulapan biang lut nadong syadong yaki jenit ki jenat ki badan kam ban penpu yaki singi Lehkmen jong kani ka college. Shi Taiew lenter, ki sur bat yang kila priang bat sawa na kani ka college, syadu sahid beneng, bat syabakut ki lum bat ki them kari jantia. Barok shi Taiew ki Samla puli kila penut por haki jingput jingtem, karwai ka siaw, bat haka syat ka kemen babunjan. Lapan long ya ka jingpen iriam, dur bhabriu, bat hakadur kadar jong kamet kaphat dap renyeng bakan sai bala ai kerteng daka sinora pageant bala shimbenta daki Samla jong kani ka college. U Dr. Ivaris Mersing ulalong u kongsan bat u Reverend Padar Kishore Lakra sembut kongsan haki jingkren. Kilaya ro ikinong penyat kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli jong kani ka college ki bala penyat tersiang jai-jai yaki program baro shi Taiew. Kila kentu ban bodin ya ka jing koridor jong ka mensiem ya trelang kum kawe ka kenhun kenang ban poi syaka thong jingjob ha ki jing tmu baro bangi angnut ha ka jing em jong ni.
Motivated or inspired because coming from a small village and a really small family, it's been a really hard journey pursuing education and for anything. So first of all, it's a big thing for me that I am able to stand in this platform and show everyone that even if I come from a small village or from a small family, that it is still possible. And there's always a saying, if there's a will, there's a way. Thank you.
There is one heart in the form of love, and there is a cross, there is a Bible. I was the one who decided and has done a pruning of that village together with this. Where is that gentleman? He's here. He's the one who called me here, your teacher. Give him a big round of applause. Without him, I think I will not be able to come in this beautiful place and such a prestigious institution, I would say, because I am so much confident to speak on stage because of the solutions. They are my brothers and fathers, so to say. Because I was doing one acting, the name of this character was given to me as the main actor because I was very silent in the class. So Father Jose Manekal, the principal of the college, he called me that I have to do the acting to be the main character. Reunion.